Riley Laredo has been singing and playing piano since childhood and has been a student at Conservatory of the Ozarks since 2021. Riley has been playing piano since they were 10 years old and loves having the opportunity to play for others and perform together. Currently, Riley is a student at Missouri State University studying sound design. After graduation, they hope to go into film or music production. In the meantime, Riley's schedule is frequently packed with work, class, rehearsals, and performances. In their rare free time, however, they can still be found at the piano, playing music to relax and unwind. Today, Riley will be joined by the Conservatory of the Ozarks Christmas Choir and Dr. Jeremy Chessman on the harp while performing Walking in the Air from the Snowman.